So what's wrong with you?
I had too much to drink.
Well, that's kind of obvious.
Go, Karen.
Don't do it!
Be quiet.
No, you're not. You're like always high. Or drunk. But it's just so much fun, man. Not when you're like this.
Some hopeful.
Well, you're gonna die one day from it. I mean, one day you're gonna die. Well, guys, y'all should here try some. No, I'm good. Are you sure? I'm sure. I don't want to be like you and be high. Y'all are retarded, okay? You're retarded.
Leave me alone.
You know what? Go away.